Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well at home. And today I am going to start a new chapter, that is exponent and power, after the mensuration chapter. So I know there is a few question left in the mensuration chapter. We will do it in the whenever the session will start in the offline classes. Okay, so this is the very new chapter to you, exponents and power, and this is very easy chapter, and this is also very important for your annual examination. So so I am going to introduce this chapter today. So you already know about the mass of earth. The this if we write the how much mass we all are living in the earth. So what is the mass of the earth? So here I write something very big number, that is 597000000, this much kg, and you know that, and you already know in the previously that in the earlier classes that how to write a number in the more convenient way. So if we are doing some calculation and we have to write the mass of the earth, so we if we write this number again and again, so it is very inconvenient to write this number. So how we can write this number in a convenient way? We just put point after the one digit, and we will count the number like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are 8 pair of zeros, so we can write this number as 5.9710 raised to the power 24 kg. So now we can write this number 5.97 into 10 raised to the power 24, and this is very easier to write again and again. But if we have this number, so this is the inconvenient way to write this number again and again. So basically, in exponents and power, we will study about this number 10 raised to the power 24. If I write this number here 10 to the power 24, it means this the number 10 is the base of this number, and 24 means this is the exponent. Okay, suppose there are so many examples. Suppose if we write 2 raised to the power 5, it it means we can write this like this: 2 into 2 into 5 times. Okay, so you know in the previously this, but in this chapter we will more discuss about this number, that how the exponents works and what are the rules and formulas for the exponent. So let's start with the topic, that is power with negative exponent. Power with negative exponent. Okay, so if suppose we have a number like this, 2 raised to the power minus 3. Okay, so here base value is 2 and the exponent is in the negative term, that minus 3. So here I can write this number: base is equal to 2 and exponent is equal to minus 3. So here exponent is a negative integer. Okay, so how we can write this number, uh, how we can solve this number? So if suppose we have a number like this, uh, we have a number like this, 10 to the power 3. So we already know that we can multiply 10 three times like this, and we will get 1000. Okay, now suppose if we reduce the power of 10, like 10 raised to the power 2, so I can multiply this number two times and the answer is your 100. Okay, so what I am doing, I am just reducing the power of the number. So I will get that 10 10 times. So basically what is happening, if you uh, understand that what is happening in the, if we're decreasing the exponents here, so we will dividing the number again and again. Okay, we have 10 raised to the power 3, it gives it will gives me 1000. And if I divide the number 1000 by 10, so it will gives me 100. And if I divide the number 100, and so then it will give me 10. Now what after 10 to the power 1, it will become 10 to the power 0. If I further reducing that term, it means here I have 10 divided by 10, which means 1. So 10 raised to the power 0 means 1. And if we decrease one more power like this, minus 1, so we have to divide this one number by 10. And suppose if we decrease one more digit, minus 2, so I have to divide this number by 10 again. So 1 by 10 divided by 10 gives you 1 by 10 multiplied by 10 gives you 1 by 100. Okay, so what we got here, if we have 10 to the power 3, we can write this number 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, it will gives me 1000. And if we have 10 to the power 2, so 10 multiplied by 2 times, it will gives me 100. So basically if I am decreasing the exponent, it means we are dividing that number from the base. So here you can see that if we decrease the exponent, we will get the value reduces 1/10 of the previous value. Okay, so here you can see that the 1000 is divided by 10 gets you 100. So let's understand with this with the another example. So let's say now let's say 3 to the power 3, we can write this 3 multiplied by 3 times like this, and this will gives you 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. This will give you 27, you know very well. And suppose if I decrease the exponent like 3 to the power 2, so you can write this 3 into 3, it will give you 9. So if you check it that this 9 value, if we decrease the exponent by 1, and the answer is the 1/3 of the previous value. Okay, so if I divide the 27 by 3, that will gives you 9. And here if I decrease exponent by 1 again, so it will give you 3, and you can see the previous value is 1/3 of this value. Okay, and now 0, so 3 divided by 3 gives you 1. Okay, so any number raised to the power 0 gives you 1. And let's say 1 3 raised to the power minus 1. So here we are already talking about the negative exponent. Okay, so here we can decrease the exponent and we reaches the 0, and after 0 we will come to the minus 1. So minus 1 means the previous value will get 1/3 of the